Assalamu alaikum students. As we have seen the first example of drafting a virtual message in your textbook, that is on page number 163. We have seen the first example. Now we will see the second example. Now see, I will provide you the answers of these today itself, but try to understand first what is there when you are writing a virtual message. The second is, using information from the dialogue given below, write the message which Amrita left for her brother. Saurajit, don't leave out any vital information or add any new information. Now remember one thing, again and again in writing skills it is written that don't add new information. Remember this thing, it's very important. You are not supposed to add new things and you cannot write whatever you want to write. See, you need to be very precise when you are writing summary writing skills में note making, drafting virtual messages and anything else in writing skills which comes under writing skills. You need to be very much in control, choose your words and be specific. Now see, using information from the dialogue given below, there as we have seen in the first example, here itself is dialogue is given between two people, that is Shekhar and Amrita. And what is the dialogue between? Write the message which Amrita left for her brother. Amrita left one message for her brother. In the first example of virtual message, we have seen that a telephonic conversation was there between the child and somebody else, and that person has left a message for his mother, and that child is Ambuj, and Mr. Person who has written talked on the phone is Mr. Rastogi. He has a message for his mother. So now again the same is there. Now the two means the brother and sisters are there, and the brother Saurabjit is now not at home maybe, so he's somewhere else. So Amrita left one message for her brother, that is Saurabjit. Shekhar, is this 28473892? शेखर से वो पूछ रही है कि ये आपका नंबर है? अमृता, यस, मे आई नो हु इज़ स्पीकिंग? अमृता बोली हाँ, यही नंबर है. किसका नंबर है ये? हाँ मैं अमृत. यस. Shekhar, I am Shekhar. I want to speak to Saurajit. I am his friend from IHM Goa. For example, when you call your friend, a girl, maybe you are a girl, you are listening, a student may be a girl or a boy. So what do you do when you call your friend and he is not at home and his or her mother picked up the phone? So what you will say? Assalamu alaikum auntie, and this is your friend's name XYZ, and वो घर पे है क्या? And his or her mother will say, no beta, he is not at home, she is not at home, she is somewhere else, he is somewhere else. So what you will say? आंटी उसको बता देना मेरा नाम ये है XYZ एंड उसको मेरा कॉल आया था, ओके, और मुझे कॉल करने के लिए बोले. सेम ऐसे ही होता है. एंड द सेम थिंग यू हैव टू राइट इन अ मैसेज. दिस इज़ फॉर एग्जाम्पल. So Amrita, I am his sister. Saurajit is not at home at the moment. Can you ring up a little later? Ring up a little means थोड़ी देर के बाद कॉल कर लो आप. Ring up a little later. Shekhar, I shall be a little busy. Actually, I have got a placement at the Hotel Mumbai and will have to join with immediate effect. So right now I am trying to get all the formalities completed. This is the news that I wanted to give Saurajit. So for what purpose did Shekhar call to his friend Amrita's brother? That he is got an opportunity or job. Placement means job. He got the job. Where he got the job? In Hotel Mumbai. And so right now I am trying to get all the formalities completed. This is the news I wanted to give to Saurajit. Will you do that for me? Also tell him that I will let him know my new cell phone number as soon as get one. So two things he is mentioning, that one, he got the job, and the second thing is that he is changing his phone number, so he will switch to new number. Amrita, I will do that. Bye and all the best. Amrita had to leave for office, so she wrote a note for Saurajit. Draft her message not more than 50 words. Remember one thing, your message should not be more than 50 words. This is the limitation of drafting a virtual message. I hope you understood the question very well. Try to understand the question very well. If you understood the question very well, I will give you the answer. Now we will discuss the answer. So now see, this is the answer. Now how you are going to write? As I said, the first thing is to mention the date and time. Don't forget to mention the date and time. I am continuously telling you, and I have given you the format how you are going to write. The first thing is date and time, and the third is your name, and your name is to whoever the question is concerned, then that body of that message, and last sorry, for who is writing this message. Now we will see. It's 30th September 8:30 a.m. Surajit is the friend of Amrita's brother. He called her. Your friend Shekhar from IHM Goa called up to say that he has got a placement in Hotel Mumbai. Now the sister Amrita, she is going to office, and before leaving to the office, she has written this message for his brother Surajit. So what she is writing, that Shekhar, your friend, he has called me or called you, and he got from IHM, it is mentioned in the question, from Goa, and he got a placement in Hotel Mumbai. He is at present busy getting all the formalities done. Whatever formalities for the job is required, he is busy in it. He said he would give you his new cell number as soon as he gets it. जितनी जल्दी हो जाएगा वो आपको मोबाइल का नया नंबर भी दे देगा. And who has written this message? Amrita, the sister. I hope you understood. We will see the next example of your textbook. Now we will see the second example. You are Priyanka, a personal assistant to Miss Sen. She has away attending a meeting when Mr. Garg rang up. You spoke to him and jotted down his message in your notepad. अब देखिए, आप प्रियंका हो, यू आर प्रियंका, पीए हो, पर्सनल असिस्टेंट मीन पीए. किसकी पर्सनल असिस्टेंट हो आप? मिस्टर सेन की. एंड शी वॉज अवे अटेंडिंग अ मीटिंग. मिसेस सेन जो है वो कहाँ गई हुई थी? एक मीटिंग अटेंड कर रही थी वो, जब प्रियंका ने फ़ोन उठाया. और किसने फ़ोन किया था? मिस्टर गार्ग ने. तो उन्होंने जो भी आपको मैसेज किया है, उन्होंने क्या किया है? अपने नोटपैड में लिख लिया है. So now what you need to do, these are the words which is there. Mr. Garg rang up 5 p.m. has received the CDs and the posters, coming tomorrow to thank Miss Sen and to personally hand over the check. These are the the message what Mr. Garg has given to Miss Sen. So from these lines, what you need to do, you need to make a draft, a virtual message. Now we will see the answer. So now this is the answer, the time and the date. Madam, because Mr. Miss Sen ko you are conveying the message. Mr. Garg rang up at 5 p.m. while you were at the meeting. He said he had received the CDs and posters and would come tomorrow to express his thanks to you. He said he would also hand over the check to you personally. Who is writing this? Priyanka is writing. Who is she? She is the PA of Miss Sen. And who has conveyed this message? Mr. Garg has written. Mr. Garg has given this message to Miss Sen. I hope you understood. Today we will see only these two virtual messages. Try to understand what is there in the question and how to write the answer. If you have any doubts, we will continue this.